You didn't say the magic word. You didn't say the magic word.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my.
What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks, the Cultureholic, back with another sneak peek of the sneaks that you want to put on your feet. Ooh, I got that one right. Today I'm coming with you with the Retro 4 OG Bred colorway. Round of applause for that one. As always, shout out to my friends at Cultureholic and my friends at the TSB gang. Alright, so these Retro 4s dropped early the other day on the sneakers app. So if some of you guys lucked out and were able to score a pair, you should be receiving them hopefully sometime soon. I know there might have been some shipping delays, but this quick review I have is just a in-hand, literally in-hand peek of the Retro 4 OGs with the Nike branding on the heel, remastered, and the OG hang tag. Somebody can brutally correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I want to say the last time these dropped with the Nike Air on the back might have been 99. Could be wrong. I know there's a pair in 2012, but I'm pretty sure those had the Jumpman on the back. But anyway, let's take a look. Now, I can't even lie to you guys. These weren't really something I thought I was going to want until I saw them in hand. These are crispy. The quality is nice. You know, I say that a lot. People are like, oh, the quality is good. But these, I mean, the quality on the suede on this is excellent. It's that jet black. It doesn't have that that ashy suede you could sometimes get with Jordans. It's really sweet. And then there's that hang tag. Treat it like off-white. Don't take that tag off. Just let that, rock it with that tag. You know, this is worth probably picking up 2 pairs. One to rock, one to stock. You know what I mean? I don't know if there's going to be a high resale on these. I'm not really even sure how limited these will be. But if you're an avid collector of Jordans, this would be something nice to put in the collection. I usually don't go after 4s, to be honest with you. I do like these. I know I have some friends that like their favorite shoe is 4. And what's a video without shouting out my affiliates? So we have Renee at TSB. I'm not sure if he's dropping some cut and sewn merch to go with it. You go to the link in my description there. You can watch an old video that's got all his contact information. Also, Zookeepers. I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring out something to go with this. This is a pretty big shoe, and they usually do limited drops of all that stuff too. Once again, the links to that will be in the description to one of the older videos. You can watch that. Click on the link, get all the contact information, all that contact info, and get it going. As always, if you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button and be part of the notification gang. As always, though, thank you for letting me be part of your day. And so remember to wear what you like, hype what you love, and in the words of my favorite rapper, peace and much love to you.
Real cool, fresh sneakers, go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.